Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be doing a quick sketch of snapping fingers, so something like that. So if you have your pencils all set, we'll draw a basic set of lines. Please use very light strokes. So I put down a line like that, and as you might have guessed, that is the wrist already, that is the hand. We'll go like this, so just put in a triangle right here, but something that is to one side, so a stretched out triangle kind of. One finger, that'll be the index finger going right there. So what we're going to do now is we're going to draw an oval right here. Just for the sake of clarity, we're going to draw an oval right here. So we did that, and we have two ovals right there. So now along this oval we'll bring one line in, and here we will go one. So I'm counting the bend as one as well. So 1, 2, 3, and then 4. But then I'm going to go here and right around. We are going to come in 1 and 2. We'll count that as 1 as well, an arc going like that. And as you can see, that leaf shape already suggests that we are close to making the snapping fingers. So we'll put in the back of the hand down first. Just go like that along the fingers, like one knuckle each, just slightly shown, and that is the bottom of the hand right there. So thumb curled up, and put very light strokes again please, and pressed against the, let's say against the thing, against the middle finger, and then there's the little skin folds and whatnot right there. We will do the little finger. Now it might be straight out, it might be bent. We will just for convenience sake do that. And then we will put in the finger next to the smallest finger, right about there. The skin folds can be worked in quickly. Nails. And then of course the main player in this is our middle finger, rubbing right against the thumb. It'll go on top of the thumb, and you can show it compressed, but for the sake of some clarity and ease in looking this up on camera, we will go and put it right above the thumb like that. There's the skin folds going, skin fold from under that finger, and there's the thumb's own skin folds, some folds here, and then of course the index finger, which does not really have a big role to play except for just be there and watch the show. And there we have it, a hand with in a snapping finger motion. Now if I were to ink this, to fill in with some strokes, I would just go about very quickly. So let's say that the light is coming on from above and casting shadows and tones. They'll be more intense here. Nothing too intense, but yes, more intense here toward the dark or away from the light source. And of course they will be so a little bit of shadow right there. So some about some tones right there. Now this is not necessarily essential to the anatomy that we have just put down, but it is good to have some additional semblance in terms of light, dark tones across the hand. Just, helps improve the image a little bit. So I'm making sure to go lighter here and darker here, and that is what you will have to do. And then we round that off with our index finger, again working the shading. You get along the curves, along the folds, just that same way. So there we have it. Quick exercise when putting down snapping fingers. You can make this as realistic as you wish, put in all these folds coming from the bottom and to the top, and all that action that goes on in a simple expression. And you can Google images or model your own hand to do this. A lot of fun and a lot of essential practice in basic anatomy of the hand. Thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe, keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.